Namaskaram. Sadhguru has shared some insightful thoughts about meditation and yoga. According to him, the term meditation is not an activity that one can engage in by simply closing their eyes and sitting still. Instead, it is a state of being that arises naturally when one cultivates their body, mind, energies and emotions to a certain level of maturity. In the video, we have included a fascinating video clip of Sadhguru where he talks about meditation and his brain waves. What even more interesting is that some scientists conduct an experiment on him to study his gamma waves. To get a better understanding of this, you just have to watch the video clips we have included. So let's get into it.
Many years ago, some institute, and they said, we want to study the gamma waves in your brain. I didn't know I had gamma waves. I know I have a working brain, but I didn't know I have gamma waves in my brain. They said, no, they're gamma waves, we want to study that. I said, okay, what should I do? They said, you sit down here, and they put 14 electrodes into me, and they said, you meditate. I said, I don't know how to meditate. They said, well, you're teaching everybody meditation. I said, I teach people meditation because they cannot sit still. I have to teach them so many methods to make them still. If you want me to sit still, I will sit absolutely still, inside out. I sat. After about 15-20 minutes, you know that funny place in your elbow where if you do the tongue, it'll go? They're taking a metal object and tok, 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 they're hitting that place. It's just leaving my palm numb. I thought, okay, it's part of their experiment and I simply sat there. Then they started doing my ankle, it became very persistent and painful. When I opened my eyes, all of them are giving me a weird look. I said, why did I do something wrong? They said, according to our machines, you're dead. I said, this is a great diagnosis. And then they, among themselves, they spoke and say, obviously this guy speaking is not dead. So they said, maybe your brain is dead. I said, please, I don't like this second opinion. If you give me a death certificate, I don't mind being dead like this.
So this was the video clip where Sadhguru shared a personal anecdote about a time when he was a part of experiment where researchers made the surprising claim that his brain had ceased functioning. Despite his consciousness and awareness, the scientists insisted that his brain was in fact dead. Did you know that meditation can have profound impact on your brain? Let's explore the fascinating changes that occur in your brain when you meditate. Understanding brain waves is crucial to unlocking the secret of brain. These electrical pulses measured in hertz hold the keys to discovering how our brain works and how we optimize our cognitive abilities. Let's delve deeper into science behind the brain waves and uncover the power of our most complex organ. There are 5 distinct frequency levels at which the human brain may pulse, and each level represents a different function the brain is performing. First, delta brain waves. These waves have slowest frequency and they are mostly associated with deep sleep, unconsciousness and reduced awareness. Second, theta waves on the other hand have slightly faster frequency and are experienced when we are awake but focusing internally or daydreaming. Third, alpha waves indicate a state of relaxation where the brain is alert but not actively processing the information. Fourth, beta waves have a faster frequency and are present when the brain is alert and actively processing external information when we are engaging in mental activity like problem solving. Fifth, gamma waves have highest frequency and are associated with peak concentration and heightened mental activity. When we meditate, we bring significant and long-lasting benefit into our lives. We can reduce our stress levels, develop a better understanding of our pain, improve our ability to connect with others, enhance our focus and concentration, and increase our capacity of self-compassion.